Dreaming with Vishnu is an introductory course in comparative mythology. It's a short-term course dealing with the basic concepts in mythology and the types of mythology. We will look at some of the terminologies and the texts dealing with the word mythology, its meaning, and its corresponding term in Sanskrit language. It will give you a general introduction to the Vedic, Puranic, and epic mythology. We will also look at some of the ritual myths and the corresponding stories connected with these myths and its applications. And we will look at some of the forms and the patterns in the mythic narrative. The lecture presentation will also provide a general view on the various ancient civilizations in comparison with Indian mythology to highlight the similarities and the differences in the narrative. The stories behind the Big Bang story, the creation myths or the cosmogonic myths. The creation narratives are composed of the three main elements: the creation of the universe, the organization of the universe, and the creation of the man. But the basic question is, who is the creator? These are the stories about how the world has come into being and the role human beings play within the larger description. These are speculative tales that reveal interesting features of the various cultures that gave birth to them. Mythic images, the role of images in mythological narratives. There are many mythological motifs and imagery that have evolved during the pre-literate stages of human civilization. The role of imagery to convey ideas and knowledge has been central to pre-literate societies. In India, many tribal cultures like Gond, Warli, and many other pre-literate social groups that includes women express their faith through images. We'll look and explore some of the myths that employ visual motives and imagery as the form of language. Cycles of nature. Myths of death and rebirth in India and other ancient civilizations. Will look at some of the patterns present in initiation ceremonies and elaborate upon myths of resurrection as well as rituals and beliefs connected to the cycles of destruction and germination. The last session will look at some of the thoughts on Indian identity. This is to understand the myths behind the construction of Indian identity. Culture defines one's behavioral patterns. Myths and beliefs of a specific culture play an important role in informing why some acts are socially sanctioned and performed, or why some other acts are avoided and considered taboo. The presentation will look at some of the notions of identity, especially the Hindu identity. It will look at some of the dress patterns, the food patterns, the rituals which are followed by people in everyday life. Join us for a fascinating journey to understand some of the basic narratives in Hindu mythology in comparison with tales from other ancient cultures. It will give you a better understanding of the beliefs and the practices that go into the making of a worldview.